I'm Susan Lorow, the assistant principal at Thurgood Marshall Elementary. This bag is your social emotional skills kit. In it, you'll find a mood meter with a description on the back for how to use that mood meter at home. Our school uses the mood meter in classrooms daily to help students identify their emotions and share them with others. You'll also find a sheet in the kit that describes how to make a calm down corner at home. Classrooms at Thurgood Marshall all have a calm down center where students can go to use various strategies to calm down if they're upset. It's also a place where students can problem solve with peers or their teacher when they feel ready. You'll find 2 sensory tools that might help your child with emotional regulation. All children are different, and you may already know what works best for your child. Using the mood meter and the calm down corner at home can help build a bridge between home and school as we start school in an online learning mode in the fall.